In last video, I tried to recreate this visualization of Pinterest. It turned out like this. It was okay but not great. So I tried my best to beat myself in the last video, and here's the outcome that I'm quite satisfied with. In this video, I want to show you my process of this outcome. And as I mentioned in the last video, all I've got is this brick building. First of all, I need this brown building gone and make it red. And this is the yummy part for me. I want to add color and texture inside the lines. I'm adding a dreamy cloudy sky. And I'm decreasing the saturation of the blue. And then I'm putting some mountains behind my buildings. They may not be really noticeable, but I think at the end, the details really matter. For the neighborhood buildings, I'm using a blending of a dirt texture and solid color. I'm using a lighter color for the front sides of the building. And I'm using a darker color for the shadowy parts of the buildings. And I'm adding the pavements. Real easy peasy. It's too bold, I'm decreasing the opacity. And then I'm adding asphalt texture to my streets. And for the sake of the importance of the details, I'm adding a crosswalk. And this one, not easy peasy, kind of a pickle for me. And let's move on to the grass area. Okay, I'm moving the grass selection layer to the top above the other layers, so when I use my brush tool, it wouldn't be hidden under the layers. I'm putting the grass texture here, and I'm creating 2 duplicates for the other part. And I'm using a grass brush to create some details around the edges of the grass area. By the way, I am adding the links to the materials I've used in the caption below. Here's my take on recreating someone's artwork. Whenever I try to recreate something exactly piece by piece as a practice, they don't usually come off half as good as the original work. So I learned that by picking up the pieces I like, add a twist, and apply my own style and signature and creativity, I would have an original work of myself. And here comes my favorite part of this process, and that's adding a cute car. And this grid is my cheat sheet. I added this so I can get the perspective of the car right. Of course, I said this is my favorite part of the process, but it definitely is not easy for me. And I'm making it a beautiful blue. And then I'm adding some personages. I'm selecting their pixels and I'm color them with my brush tool. And in this stage, I'm creating cartoonish trees. And for that, I'm simply using the render filter on Photoshop. For the last touches, I'm adding these little birdies to the sky. And at the end, I'm adding a paper texture to cover the whole image. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please hit subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. Have a great day!